This capability showcase illustrates how HM Cragg's Integrated Power Systems and Services team created a customized power solution for an industrial manufacturing application. The challenges we faced in creating our solution included the user's requirement to provide a well-regulated, clean environment for programmable logic controllers and machine interfaces in a manufacturing environment with unreliable power quality. Our team started this project off with a custom-built, industrial-rated enclosure. The enclosure was fabricated from a single sheet of 12-gauge steel, primed and electrostatically powder-coated. It is rated NEMA and UL Type 12, 3, and 4, and IP66 to stand up to dust and particulates, rain, sleet, and snow, including blowing snow and hose-directed spray. Modifications to the enclosure were completed in-house to add a 230-volt, 6800 BTU closed-loop air conditioner. The AC system housing is also rated to the same standards as the enclosure and features an integral 2,000-watt heater capable of operating between -4 and 122 degrees Fahrenheit. A mounting frame assembly was cut to measure and bolted to the enclosure base through the bottom and C-channel leg stands. A 25 kVA power conditioner was installed and secured to the mounting frame assembly. The Eaton PowerSure 700 provides voltage regulation with a transformer and filter to remove transients and noise from the electrical circuit feeding sensitive components like PLCs. The combined effect is a regulating and shielded isolation transformer system that solves 99% of the electrical disturbance problems, including electrical brownouts, sags, surges, transients, and other electrical disturbances. This finished solution was secured to a custom shock pallet and prepared for shipping. This is another example of a custom solution HM Cragg's Integrated Power Systems and Services team can create for you. If you run into a backup power challenge that requires unique retrofitting, kitting, assembly, or modification, we are the right people to call to create a timely, cost-effective solution. Please contact us today for more information about how we can help you by creating a customized solution for your application.